Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
I like my mornings quiet in bed, alone with my coffee and the thoughts in my head. I don't even mind taking a walk by myself, going out for a long drive with nobody else. So you can't blame me for being tired with my time when you just arrived in my world. You can't come over and kill the vibe, take what's mine, just show up and make me a girl. But damn, you're so sweet, 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 like summer iced tea, the sugar I need. You're like a huckleberry pie with the cherry on the side, and I want another taste of it, please, 'cause you're so sweet, so sweet. Maybe you could come by in the afternoon. It would be a delight to sit and laugh with you, but you should go before sundown, 'cause I got places to be. Unless maybe you would be down to come along with me. Just don't blame me if I get tired with my time when you just arrived in my world. 'Cause if you stay and feel the vibe, give what's mine, I might let you make me a girl. 'Cause damn, you're so sweet, 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 like summer iced tea, the sugar I need. You're like a huckleberry pie with the cherry on the side, and I want another taste of it, please, 'cause you're so sweet, so sweet, so sweet, so sweet, so sweet. Damn, you're so sweet, 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 like summer iced tea, the sugar I need. You're like a huckleberry pie with the cherry on the side, and I want another taste of it, please, 'cause you're so sweet, so sweet.
Wish that it was simple, hard for me to let go. 'Cause you got this hold on me, yeah. But something just don't feel right. What's going on in your mind? I need to know where we stand. Going round in circles, and all that we do is fight. You can say I'm wrong, baby, if you want, yeah. But you can never say that I don't try. I know I ain't always right, no. But you can never say that I don't care. Just put the blame on me, yeah. Just put the blame on me, yeah. Yeah. Girl, put the blame on me, yeah. See, if we're gonna make everything we've been through, them I still love you. Just need to know where we stand, going round in circles, and all that we do is fight. You can say I'm wrong, baby, if you want, yeah. But you can never say that I don't try. I know I ain't always right, no. But you can never say that I don't care. Just put the blame on me, yeah. Just put the blame on me, yeah. Yeah, you put the blame on me, yeah. Going round in circles, and all that we do is fight. You can say I'm wrong, baby, if you want, you already know. But you can never say that I don't try. I know I ain't always right, no. But you can never say that I don't care. Just put the blame on me, yeah. You can put it on me. Just put the blame on me, yeah. Put it on me. You put the blame on me, yeah. You can put it all on me, yeah. I know I'm good, but I'm getting better. Like wine, this could have been an email, so don't be wasting my time. Don't be up in my face, don't be all in my space. You know they said that everything ain't what it looked like. Now I see it clearer. I used to wonder what it looked like under the lights, and now I see the picture. You really gotta take your time for that. Don't rush into it, baby, just relax. Perhaps it's all in line, please take your time. One step closer than you know. Too much noise, you gotta go. 3 steps, 3 times, 3 more than before. Before you know, yeah. I know I'm good, but I'm getting better. Like wine, this could have been an email, so don't be wasting my time. Don't be up in my face, don't be all in my space. Yeah, I know it's good, but it's getting better. Rewind, this could have been an email, so don't be wasting my time. Don't be all in my space, girl, I'm up in my prime. You make the money when you still believe in the hype. Definitely.
So these are the Buddha head earrings that I made with the yellow coconut chips. As you know, the coconut chips, it is going to be very difficult to find some that are shaped exactly the same. So I tried to get them as close as I possibly could in the sense of the length and, you know, like maybe the shape. And this is the best they're going to come out. But I still like the uniqueness of these and that they are just different, you know. And you guys know I love wire. I love wire wrapping. I love just the richness that the wire gives. And if you remember on the other pair of earrings that I made, the brown coconut ones, I was trying to, I don't think I showed that in the video, but I was trying to get the Buddha head at the top. But the way that I had already wrapped the wire on those other chips, I wasn't able to get a Buddha head at the top. And because there's not a hole in the chip, you know, where I could run the wire through, I couldn't do it on the other pair of earrings. So I just had to go ahead and wrap like I showed here in the video, and then leave some wire out and then put the Buddha head on and then keep wrapping. But I like these. These are very unique. These are really pretty, and they're very light, like really, really lightweight. So I really like these. I'm really digging these. And this is the yellow pair. I am getting ready to make a couple of orange pair. I got to make a couple more pair of yellow. And I was trying to see if I had like some bigger pieces, but the batch of chips that I bought, they don't have like the real big pieces, like with the orange, like this.
So with the orange, these are the two biggest pieces that I got. And I'm going to probably make a pair of earrings using these bigger pieces. I wish I had some bigger pieces, but this is all I got. And then I got some turquoise ones. I'm going to go ahead and make a pair of earrings with the turquoise, the yellow. I do got green as well. So I got another bag down here that has more green, that has more turquoise, and all these colors right here. So I'm going to go ahead and make a couple more pair of these earrings and then take some pictures and get them posted everywhere. But anyway, Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. Happy Friday. I hope everybody is having a really good day. I hope people still got time off. And I just hope everybody gets what it is that they're working so hard for. You're able to accomplish whatever it is that you're, wanting and trying to accomplish. And just remember, we will be blessed in the latter days. And thank you to all the new subscribers. I hope whatever it was that you saw that made you hit subscribe, that you continue to see more of that. And don't forget to download the free Jewelry by BDK digital magazine, which is full of all kind of good business information. And we'll talk.